Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkeys Uncle Dubs Club. Now, I've been taking a trailer away with me for quite some time now when I go out camping. So I thought, once we set up camp, it's a bit difficult to get out and about. Can't really use my bicycle anymore because due to my back injury. So I've got a little smart car just to tow along, use as a trailer. The idea is get it all filled up, put the seats down, fill it up, use it as a trailer, and then get there, set camp up, get the smart car all set up, and away we go whilst leaving the camp up. Now, one of the other little things I've found is, I thought, right, as you do, you want to get your things, bits and pieces sorted out, your oil, all the other waters, bits and pieces topped up. Now, I don't have any other smart car owners. When you come to undo your washer bottle, now this, I believe, is a common problem. I've looked online and I went to fill my washer bottle up, and lo and behold, this plastic piece here has cracked and shattered. So I had a think, I wondered, tried to find one of those online, couldn't, without going to the main dealer's parts, the washer bottle lid. So I had a think and a look, and here in the UK we have milk bottle tops. Now, as my car is blue, I've managed to find a blue one. So without spending any money and recycling, I had a look, and that screws down straight onto the washer bottle lid and is, there you go, that's nice and secure there. Screws down, push it down and screw it on. So for no pence recycling, there you get on there. Now, these lids come on all the same size lids on all different sizes of the milk bottles, so it doesn't matter what you've got, a few different colours. But as I say, since the car was blue, I've now got a free washer bottle top. So there you go. If it's cracked like my old one, then simply replace it with one of these. Fits perfect. Like the video, give us a thumbs up, and see you next time on the Monkeys Uncle Dubs Club. Thanks for watching.